There's that sun. Been a few days. There she is. Good morning. Day 16, which is actually, you'll be seeing this on Wednesday. So it's hump day. Happy hump day to everybody out there. And remember guys, you can either make excuses, see I'm making excuses, or you can make it happen. Anyway guys, I've got my 6 mile ride in. I got my half-mile run walk. It's getting to be more running and less walking, so I'm pumped about that, and I'm ready to get this day started. So about a week ago I added more to my workout, so I started doing push-ups. I started at 30, so I did 30 push-ups every day last week. This week I upped it by 7, so it's going to be 37. 7, you may ask. Well, if I add it by 7 every week, by the time I hit Daytona bike week, why don't I call it Biketoberfest? By the time I hit Daytona bike week, I'll be doing 100 a day. Hopefully I'll be running over a mile a day, and this is all stuff I can do when I'm out on the road, because Daytona starts to kick off really where we're gone a lot. Right after Daytona we head to Missouri and Arkansas, and then it's just till October we're pretty much home for a week or two and then gone. So this should help me while I'm out on the road. Anyway guys, let's get today started. We'll see you in a few. I'll be running errand. Alright, so I got something from Amsoil. I didn't order it, so I don't know what it is. I'm going to open it up and check it out. Alright guys, I'm excited for today. I got mail. I love mail. Angie's always like, you always got to go get the mail. I just love mail. I can't help it. So I went and got the mail today, and I got like 3 items I want to open up in front of you guys. I haven't opened yet. I'm pretty excited. This one is from Michelle. Bell's Rides. I'm pretty sure I know what this is, so I'm super excited about it. And then Joey Adams, he sent us something as well. And then I have no idea what this is. It's from Amsoil. And I haven't ordered anything, and I don't usually order it and send it to my mailbox, so no idea what that is. Let's start out with Joey Adams here, and let's see what we got. All right, it's a Christmas card. Let's see what's in the Christmas card. Stickers. You can't buy sisterhood. Tell you what, I'll put that right up over there on the mirror. You can't buy sisterhood. someone that met us at the rally in Lake of the Ozarks this year, and they signed Miss Mama Badger's bike. We follow you and support bikers. If you're ever in Iowa, let us know. We can take you out to supper. Cool. They sent us the biker's prayer. I don't know if you guys can see that. Awesome. And then a smaller version of the biker's prayer. They hope to see us soon. May our holidays be joyous and happy. Guys, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Like I said, I'll put your sticker on the mirror over there. And we appreciate the biker's prayer. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you too. That's the best part of what we do. We get to get out and meet really cool people like this. Who'd have known? All right. Michelle. Michelle is next. Bell's Rides. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Haha, it is. It's her book. Yes, I know a famous author. Haha. She rode the world record poker run with us. She's also on YouTube, Bell's Rides. Roxy Foxy. And I was hoping, I requested a signed copy, and she autographed it for me. Thank you for your support in all of her adventures. Guys, go get her book. I will link it below. In the video, in the description, I'll link her book. It's Christmas time. Go get one of your favorite readers a Christmas book. Awesome. All right, let's see what we got. From Amsoil. Kind of like an ink pen or something. What do we got? All right, so we have some kind of little like black box thing. That's it. That's all there is in there. All right. Hey, look at that. Great work. You've reached the bronze cup for your sales accomplishments. Look at that. I got an Amsoil award. Oh, I think you're supposed to read it this way. Sorry guys, that was backwards. Anyway, I get a little Amsoil award. I'm not sure what I did to earn it, but good job. Anyway, that's cool. The book is cool. The card is cool. The stickers are cool. What an awesome day. Merry Christmas.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so I figured while I'm on the subject of mail, and thank you to everybody that sends us mail. We do open it all. I'm supposed to put stickers up on my mirror. That's the whole point of this mirror. When I moved this into my office, I was like, that'd be really cool if all the moto vloggers, biker-owned businesses, biker-related stickers just covered that entire wall. And then I can have stuff that means something to me behind me, like the Big Badger. So our first ever road trip, Mama Badger and me took, while we were gone, some of my business networking friends basically broke into my house, had that made and put it on the wall for me. And so it moved from that house to this house on this mirror. Hopefully it'll stay there forever. There's a for sale sign right back there at the bottom. So that was from this last fall when my friends from Michigan picked up my bike and then sold it for a 12-pack and some Tootsie Rolls. So, yeah, I owe them for that still. But anyway, what a great memory. And then stickers from different people that I watch and know. And there's even an Amsoil sticker up there. Look at me go. But I have also kind of failed tremendously. So I have all of these stickers that a bunch of you have sent me, and I have not had the time or taken the time, probably more so I haven't taken the time to put them on the mirror. So in the next week or so, I plan on getting all of these put on the mirror, and then anybody else that has stuff that they want on the mirror or hat, shirt, swag, send it to me. I'll be happy to give you a shout out. I am doing the Support Bikers shout out every day every weekday. I think I'm going to skip the weekends unless just something hits me. But every weekday I will do a shout out to a motovlogging channel, a biker-owned business, a author, which is also like a biker-owned business. Bell's Rides, go check her out. Anyway, so I'll get these up in the next couple weeks. And again, guys, thank you for all that you sent me. Have a great day.